Hi, my name is Bill, and today I want to show you how to install a filter plug kit in your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because you're getting lint in your clothing. For this repair, we'll be using a ratchet with a long extension and 7/16 socket. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer here. It's a KitchenAid, and this is what we're going to use for our repairs. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home, but the same techniques should still apply. We're going to open up our washer. And now we're going to take off this part of the agitator. There's a small cap in here. We'll take that out as well. We're going to be using our 7/16 socket. So we're going to just put that in there. And then hold on to the bottom of the agitator a little bit. See them on a spin while you loosen it. Once you get a couple turns, looks like it should be loose enough now. Now we can pull this right out. Now that that's off, we can pull the rest of the agitator out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement filter plug kit. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So you can see here, we don't have any of the plugs in here, which is fine. So you're going to grab your filter plug kit now. Alright, so all we have to do with our filter plugs, just reach down there and snap these right into place. Alright, so to put this in, just going to go right down there. Push the whole thing right down. Now we're going to put our screw in here. Now we can take our 7/16 socket and screw everything back together. It's nice and tight now. We can put our fabric softener dispenser in here. Close the door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.